Okay, here we are back at the workstation, and once we get all the traces to work out the way that we want them, on this one, as you can see, there are a few spots here where it didn't quite stick as well as we would have liked. These ground planes and such don't really necessarily matter whether it sticks or not, but these traces, we want all these traces and vias to be complete. But anyways, what you do next is you would just go ahead and you take a Dremel tool or a hacksaw or whatever you got handy and just cut out the outline of the board you want. And then this is my 99-cent Goodwill special. Just a little Tupperware container with ferric chloride in it. Now with this stuff you probably want to use gloves, as it is at least somewhat toxic. All you do is you just take your board and you submerge it. All it has to really do is be enough chemical to come over and cover the top of it. Also, you should know that it stains horribly, so just make sure you don't spill any of it. This is something that I actually got at Radio Shack. I don't know if that's something that you'll have available to you, but it's just PCB etching, and for me it was like about, say, $10 for 16 ounces of it, and I've really only used, I don't know, maybe a fourth of it, and I've printed probably 3 or 4 boards so far. But anyway, so all you do is you just take your board, set it in the etchant, and set a timer for about 5 minutes or so, and every 5 minutes you'll just come over and give it a little shake to agitate the chemicals on top of the copper. And after just each time, just lift it up a little bit and you'll be able to see as the copper starts to disappear, you'll start to notice more of the fiberglass color showing through. And when you see that all the copper is gone, all you have to do is pull it out and rinse it off and hit it with a little bit more of this steel wool, and the traces will come out nice and bright shiny copper. Then after that, if you're lucky enough to have a drill press, you just grab one of these nice fine drills and drill it out. Now I don't know if you have Harbor Freight near where you are, but it's an excellent Chinese discount tool place that we have around here in the Pacific Northwest, up in this Seattle area, and they have these really nice fine drills, so you have a larger shank that you can put in the chuck of your drill, but the actual narrow part of the bit is short enough that they don't snap off quite as easily as if you're trying to use a full length narrow bit. Anyways, this is something you can get at Harbor Freight, a whole set of them for like $5 or something like that. So you can also get stuff from them online too, so that may be worth looking into if you can't find them near where you're at. Anyways, once you're all done, what you wind up with is a board like this one, which is the exact same schematic. It's just one that turned out a little bit better in the etching. And all the components here, you have to drill them through, and that can take a while, so you really want to try and use a drill press if at all possible. But anyways, so that's my project. Hope this helps you, and good luck in your prototyping. May you build all sorts of cool things.